Jagadev. Last time we were talking about the qualities of the nature and the yoga, how yoga emphasize its qualities in different nature and its variety, we can say. So we were talking about the qualities of nature, and we talked about Satoguna, and now we are talking about the qualities of the nature, which is second one is Rajas Guna. So whenever the qualities of Rajas Guna has been increased in our intelligence, then we stabilize to maintain the qualities of creative intelligence in our nature of performance, which provide us deeper value of receptivity and orderliness in function of natural laws, and establish the higher level of intelligence which improve the skill in action and bring physical relative achievement, happiness in our daily life. Therefore, we develop the best management, orderliness, administrative qualities in our functioning of life. Rajas Guna has the brilliant catalytic quality to increase the function of leading action. So there are next third qualities are tamas. Whenever increase the tamas quality in the intelligence, then it covers to intelligence under ignorance, doubt, action, doubtful action, the qualities of greediness, fearful, nature, unhappiness, unsatisfied with achievements, and its grow evil mind, which violate the natural law and produce negativity, enmities, disturbance in nature and justice, and devaluate the positivity of the society, which is responsible for destructive destruction, and their result in huge change in the natural function to eliminate negativity. It's reduce the qualities of negativity in nature. It is responsible to this service and the result to whose change in natural function to eliminate negativity, eliminate their destruction, begin to favor of construction and establish of harmony in nature through their specific natural laws. Tamas brings the law of punishment to the evil mind and start to destroy the consciousness of devil and decide to punish them according to their karma. Vedic science and their culture are ancient and attuned with higher level of the consciousness along with various kind of energy and climatic condition which are creating universe and their unmanifest life and provide higher qualities of intelligence to human life because of support to the nature and natural laws and fulfill to goal of life to everyone. This nature has been displaying this knowledge to higher being to lead perfect solution of problems and lead mistake-free life according to natural laws. There are so many big saints are spoken on this subject. Now we like to brief His Holiness Maharshi Mahesh Yogi, what he said about the yoga. He said, the Veda are the light of house of eternal wisdom which lead man to salvation and inspiration him to supreme accomplishment. The omnipresent of eternal being realizing of being unmanifest and absolute in status, as that even in the manifest diversity of creation and absolute any man in terms of himself, these are the great truth of perennial philosophy of Veda. The Veda reveals the changing, unchanging of life, which underlies the evident multiplicity of creation. For reality is both manifest and unmanifest, that alone is that thou art that, and all this is that is the truth, and this is kernel of the Vedic teaching, which the rishis extol or teaching, worthy of hearing, contemplating, and realizing. The truth